We go to incredible lengths to predict and celebrate whether a baby will be a boy or a girl. Families organize elaborate parties, cut into colored cakes, and set off smoke bombs to answer this one question. For centuries, people looked for answers in the phases of the moon, the weather, or a mother's diet. Biology reveals the decision is entirely microscopic. Science has established that a baby's sex is locked in at the exact fraction of a second of conception. A specific set of biological codes called chromosomes finalize the outcome instantly. Because the genetic math is finished on day one, it is a logical assumption that male or female physical development begins at that same moment. But early human development ignores that timeline. As that single fertilized cell rapidly divides to form an embryo, it disregards the genetic instructions it was just given. For the first 6 weeks of pregnancy, all embryos are physically indistinguishable. Regardless of their chromosomes, every embryo naturally develops along a female pathway. The origin of physical sex characteristics isn't a day one sprint. It relies on a hidden genetic switch that remains inactive for over a month. This human karyotype shows the 46 chromosomes in a normal cell. Organized into 23 pairs, they act as the body's instruction manual. The first 22 pairs are identical, but the 23rd pair is different. These sex chromosomes dictate physical sex characteristics. A woman's egg always provides an X chromosome, leaving the second half of this genetic equation blank. The father's sperm carries either an X or a Y. The winning sperm fills that second slot, creating an XX or XY combination. Since the egg is a constant, the mother's DNA does not influence the baby's gender. The paternal cell is the only variable that decides the outcome. Once that initial blueprint is set, the sex chromosomes go dormant. The instructions are written, but the body hasn't started reading them. During the first 6 weeks, both XX and XY embryos follow the exact same physical routine. This development path defaults to female. This shared biological plateau continues until week 7, when the delay ends and the genetic code finally activates. If the embryo has a Y chromosome, a specific gene called the SRY gene appears. Existing only on the Y chromosome, the SRY gene acts as a biological switch. It interrupts female development and begins the formation of male characteristics. If the embryo is XX, there is no SRY gene. Without that switch to change its course, the embryo simply continues its default trajectory. Male development requires an active genetic interruption. Without this specific biological signal, the body proceeds along its naturally female baseline. Biological sex determination is a sequenced process involving 2 distinct stages. Conception provides the genetic code, but week 7 provides the physical execution. Winning the microscopic race between sperm cells only delivers the instruction manual. The work of building male or female features happens much later. The physical difference between male and female relies on a single genetic switch stepping in to override the default rules of development. Our biological identity depends on the precise timing of these genetic signals. If you found this dive into chromosome activation helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more insights into the human body.